just recently saw Aras. He was a father to her, but he was a brother to me. And I was debating the whole time, like, do I say this in public at all? I mean, he said it, but like, I don't know, somehow it was fine when Waras said things. But there was an instance where, I don't know if Caesar was on this particular one, but we went to a Castlelight gig that we were doing in Plettenberg Bay, and Waras was so afraid of missing his flight in the morning, so he insisted that we stay in the same room so that he wouldn't miss his flight. And I was like, friend, no.
I'm going to use this one.
But this is insane, though. This is insane.
I am going to use it.
I think people take this brother and sister relationships way too far. Like, way too far. Like, sometimes being a blood relative matters. Like,
exactly. The weirdness that is necessary is there.
It's there.
Because I'm not going to sleep with my sister in the same bed.
Because
this is not going to happen.
What happened to my alarm? No ma
Hey, daughter. Oh, use the door sanity. It's going to slide in the separate room. Flight.
I wonder where it's low.
Exactly, because it helps you explain Abasiba. Like we class and then the
platonic.
My flight. I am taking.
Nguluma ngetekseli esentini.
Uzipho uqinile uzipho. Qina kabi. Qinile uzipho. Usabushi my flight.
Uzala.
Uqinile uzipho. Okolala ngejini.
Then he was like, ew, man, don't think like that. You're my son. Then I was just like, Waras, that's weird. Then he was like, don't worry, friend. We're going to put the pillows. We're going to do everything.
I've never heard Waras could manage.
Then why? If you're going to put pillows, then why?
Okay, so what name of pillows? Is Ofia Huzib?
Can't the pillow gang stop? If I want to wreak havoc, can't the pillow gang stop? Akwazi ukwazi pillow.
Akazobhalansa kaloku.
Phuma ama feathers.
Phuma amaqhubu nje uthi ungabona ngawo.
And I was just like, what is...
No, but like, whoa, why is she using a typical colored accent when he did not speak like that? I've never heard him speak like that.
No, man, I just need a cuddle. I just need a cuddle. And the thing is, I was worried about what people would think of me, because they're going to think, you know, but no, that's not what's happening. We're literally brother and sister, and we did sleep and cuddle, and the pillows were there, and we cuddled.
I would never cuddle my sister. Hey, I don't give a damn. And I gave her money a few days ago. I would never cuddle her. Ever.
Hey, man.
Ever. Kota Ketla.
And he said, thank you, my friend. I really appreciate this. And I woke him up for sure in the morning, and he didn't.
I appreciate about sin.
I didn't go in.
I appreciate about sin.
Who paid in and apart? How to appreciate?
It is slow.
Oh, where can you no brother?
No brother.
Where can you
no brother? But I appreciate this.
I appreciate her.
I appreciate
this. Flight in Puma 5.
Away.
Miss his flight. And those are just one of the many things that made Waras special. He didn't care what people thought. He didn't care.
I wouldn't care too.
You know, who would dislike him, who would like him because of his opinion. He did appreciate something called fan love. That was our thing. Like, he'd be like, yo, man, open the windows in the car, Pearl. We got to get some fan love. And we'd get some fan love. But the last time I saw him, he was doing yet another brotherly thing, helping me choose a car. Spoke to Nomalanga, and she mentioned it was a similar situation with them as well. And yeah, Warwick, this is still feeling unreal. And thank you for the jokes. Thank you for the political talks we had that I never agreed with you on. Thank you for being good to our children. Thank you for being good to us.
Our children.
Thank you for being the person who we call whenever we're in trouble and we don't know who to call.
Wait, would you be the guy that your platonic friend calls when there's trouble and you show up?
No. I don't know what this is a weird situation where my child crying for a guy that it's just weird. It's just weird. It's just weird.
ingane ekhula noma wayo uyixoki awuyidingi empilweni yakho
Uthi ushonelwe ubaba.
cabanga
Ngisaphila.
ukhona wena
Ngaphuma wabo uthi ushonelwe ubrother. Akalala la empeteni. Hayi Nkosi yami. Cha ningiyeke.
ingane ekhula noma wayo
Ngikhathele ukuphila hayi.
yexoki.
Thank you for everything, and to your kids and to your family.
Wait, I heard ifroga warasi bikhona lapha cabanga. Bathi ifroga ibikhona.
Uyalayeka.
What do you mean yalayeka?
Uyalayeka ukuthi bamtshela lezi zinto lezi in public. Why the hell would you let your other half have platonic friends?
But what if it's possible ukuthi she met the wife after?
No, he already had kids. He had already had kids.
Yes, but he has kids with different women.
Hey, if that's the case, then okay.
Dog, if you
stage, I'm shy. Don't do that. He was sleeping with my brother while he was dying. He was sleeping with my brother. He was cheating.
Dog, you can't say this thing while my woman is there. Good is lalempete no water. Ngafe ebusuku lana iqina uzipho.
Umama uzothini?
How?
Amajita amazothini. What if ngiqamba manje ngithi ngikubhebhile lokhu? Engikubhebhile lokhu.
Now we're looking at your
Ngishaya
casket
strong man
like a
sibheke isikhathi lakho.
like a
Ubhizi yakhona lapha. Uthi
ngasuza nokusuza.
Namanga.
Sana thatha le mali yakho yesoza futhi ayike qamba manga ngithi wena. Thoni benipejini uyidlile imali impejini.
Sasiketekete.
If you want to know that he spoke very highly and spoke very regularly of his entire family and how much he loved you all, obviously, especially his children. To the mother of his children, he spoke very highly of all of you as well. And even when he was frustrated, he spoke very highly of you. And I'm so sorry that you have to go through this. I'm so sorry. Some of us have had to be single mothers in such a difficult world. And I just want to say you and the kids were so...
Why are you single? The father is there.
Hey, intomba lalela labo momjida makhanda lakho liyasebenza. This is what you're going to do. Thatha leyo ngane. Lithathe yakho ngithi. Angithi uthe yakho. Ithathe ihlale nawe. Thatha ihlale nawe. Gwema into eyiningi ngoba manje sekubantu izinto ongangene kuzo.
So blessed to have such an incredible father for your children. And I know that I choose to believe that there's another life after this. And I just want to say to the kids, I lost my mother very young. I know this is a terrible feeling. And I just want you to know that there's an everlasting presence of your parents. Once they're on the other side, they're with you all the time, not just when they can or when they choose to be. So I hope these words mean something, if not today, somewhere near in the future. We love you all, and we hope that we can be there for you as his kids the same way he was there for our children. Thank you so much.